Tekrardan merhaba arkadaşlar. Bugün sizlerle beraber yine Uncharted'dayız. Birinci bölümü izlemişsinizdir. Kaldığımız yerden devam edeceğiz. Uncharted'ı bitireceğiz ama tabii ki tatile bitiremeyiz. 5-6 bölüm çekerim diye düşünüyorum. Umarım çekerim. Belki mobil oyunu da çekerim ben. Lafı fazla uzatmadan hemen videoya geçiyorum. Çok uzun bir zaman oynayamam. Herhalde yarım saat, en fazla 40 dakika olur. Hadi başlayalım. Önceki bölümü izlemeyi unutmayın arkadaşlar. Hikayeyi anlamanız için.
Acabemos con esto. Let's go. Chingada, este gringo sabe pelear, ¿eh? Gustavo, mata ese gringo. Tú lo empezaste. Come on. Come on, amigo. A ver cómo te sales de esta. Vení ahí. ¿Qué tal esto? Asshole, let go of me. Agárrenmelo.
Lan bırakın lan.
Lucha como un hombre.
Ananı satayım.
Sí, Gustavo. Toma esto, pendejo. Derrota ese gringo, amigo. Rótale la cara. Esto es por meterte con nosotros.
Uf.
Puedes hacerlo.
Oo, kafayı yardı.
Te vas a arrepentir.
Yavaş ayı.
Ya lo tienes. Shit. Te voy a matar, come mierda. Sí, Gustavo. Te voy a cerrar la bocota, gringo.
Ne kodum.
Ya basta. My turn. idiota! Suéltenme.
Lan tam dövüyordum amına koyayım.
Right, little guy? Te voy a matar, gringo, come mierda. Hey, give me a call when you're tall enough to ride the rides. Por el culo. Solitaria. Cállalo. ¿No estás esperando aquí, eh? Abre.
How long am I supposed to be in here? Huh? Where's the toilet?
You looking at it? Have fun.
I will. Gracias.
Get up.
I was having a great dream, too. Hey. All right, easy. Ah. All right, cálmate.
Yavaş lan. Hayırdır oğlum? Özür dilerim abi.
Any chance I can take a shower? Morning, boys.
İyi günler.
It's hard to tell down here.
Oye, idiota.
Kolay
Get up
gelsin.
the stairs.
Ana kodum.
Viene saliendo un prisionero. Abra.
Selam. Lan selam vereceğiz lan heriflere.
Hey, nice to see you.
Selamünaleyküm. Kolay gelsin. İyi nöbetler.
Right. Humid.
Welcome to Panama.
Hey, gringo. Vi lo que hiciste a Gustavo.
Sansa sıçacağım sizin.
Cuchillo que tiene tu nombre, amigo.
Boş yapma.
Larga cuando regreses. Déjanoslo a nosotros. Nos encargamos de él.
Muévanse. Quítense, cabrones.
Tranquilízate.
Tipe bakın.
You have some fans.
Yeah, my adoring public.
Go.
Oo, yarışma. Lan bir bırakın be. Hadi sıra sende. Hop. Şurada da şey kaldırıyorlar. Hadi gidelim.
Abre la reja.
¿A dónde lo llevas?
Es una sorpresa.
Diviértete.
You speak a little Spanish, you know. Wait, what did you say?
You'll find out soon enough.
İyi nöbetler. Lan. Yavaş lan. Dövüştüğüm adam mı lan bu?
Nada, amigo.
Atrás. De este me encargo yo.
Çok fena dövüyor. Dövüştüğüm adam değil. Geçmiş olsun kardeş.
Where are you taking me anyway?
You'll see. No, no. Not that one.
Oh, all right.
After you.
Yeah, this isn't sketchy at all. Hey, you know, this doesn't look like the warden's office.
Go left.
I'm on it.
Through there.
Through here?
Burada mı işkence edeceksin lan bana? Ne yapacaksın? Oha!
Take these cuffs off or what?
I want it.
Vay!
You hope to find up there. I want it.
Come on, Marcus, the deal
Bu
is just to get us in and out of
bizdenmiş.
here, that's it.
Just. I'm sticking my neck out for you gringos.
Yeah, and Rafe is paying you a lot of money for your trouble.
See? But not nearly enough.
You were told not to open that.
Yes. I was also told not to take bribes, not to bring anyone here, and not to beat on my inmates. But here we are.
Just be careful with that. It's 300 years old.
Vay anasını.
I was a member of Captain Henry Avery's crew. You know who that is?
He was a pirate.
The pirate who pulled off the biggest heist in history and got away with it. I looked him up.
That's great.
Over
Can we-
$400 million worth of gold and jewels, all from one single ship. The Gunsway.
I'm familiar with the story. Can you get to the point?
I occupied the highest cell in the Spaniards' prison. Here. I hope someday you will find your way into this infernal place, bear my cross, and discover the riches of paradise.
What? What do you want?
The riches of paradise.
It's a metaphor.
No, no, no, no. You and your friends did not pay to get into this infernal place in search of a metaphor. I want in.
Tell you what, let me go up there,
Bok.
check out the prison cell. If there's still anything there after 300 years, we can take this up with Rafe. Come on. Letter. Por favor.
How you gonna get up there anyways?
Climb. Oh, unless, of course, you want to do it, since you want in and all.
Just don't break your neck.
That's the plan.
Amacımız.
Hey, did you bring what I asked?
Yeah. It is just over there. Under the work table. By the crate.
There we go, piece of cake.
Aha. Aha. Ya ne yapacağız buna? Ha, şuraya çıkacağız, okey.
I need my gear.
Ben şurada gördüm bir alat. Evet, burada işte.
Now we're in business.
Ha, şuraya. Hop.
Here we go.
Ey. Ulan manzaraya bak ya. Çok iyi ya. Hop. Helal. Anana. Fotoğrafını çektim.
Looks like I can slide down there. Look on that post.
Bundan mı bahsetmiştin?
Wait till Sam hears about this. Onward and upward.
Ha, dur. Yukarı çıkacağız. Nereden? İşte buradan. Çok iyi manzara.
No, gotta find the highest cell.
En yükseğe çıkacağız. Anlaşıldı.
This Burns had a nice view before he was executed.
O sakin.
Hard to believe there were dozens of pirates holed up in here, just waiting to be hanged. Okay, where to? Barely believe this place is still standing. Spanish sure knew how to build a sturdy prison.
Aha.
Wonder how many pirates died here.
Oraya gidiyoruz.
Alright, not gonna lie. This is pretty awesome.
Aha, hapishane. Ha, görmeyecekler mi beni ama? Aa, bak az önceki yer.
Sam's missing out. Here we go. Burns' cell. Cell? More like a suite. Okay. Where to begin? All these squiggles and scratches must mean something. Sun and moon. Alchemy symbols for gold and silver. Wait a sec. I saw something like this on the letter. Huh. Well, that's part of the symbol. Ah. There's the other half. Now then.
Ben anlamadım.
That's more like it.
Ha.
Okay, got a zodiac symbol. Sagittarius. And the Scorpio sign.
Evet. Bu ikisini bulacağız. Oo. Sıçtık. Şu.
That's not it. It's not this one either.
O zaman şu.
10 and 2.
Al.
X and II.
Buldum.
Would you look at that?
Baba. Altın.
Digna factis recipimus. Guess this is it. And head back.
Hadi. Nasıl döneceğim geri? Buradan.
Come on. Better watch that first step. Down we go. Huh. Careful.
Eyvah. Kayarak şuraya. Oo. Oba.
Yeah, I'd see Rafe do that. There goes my shoulder. There's Vargas. I want a cut. I want in. I'll give you in.
Öldüreceğiz mi lan onu? Bir dakika arkadaşlar. Şu alata gideceğiz. Oha.
Made it.
Ah.
Now we're talking.
find? Greg? What?
Place was picked clean. There's a
Aha.
clue hidden up there somewhere. I couldn't find it.
You sure? Were you looking in the right place?
Maybe I missed something in the letter. It could have been another tower that collapsed centuries ago.
Söylemedi bulduğu şeyi. Demek o yüzden görürsün diye.
Plans of this place? Blueprints?
Could be. There's a bunch of old files.
Go look through those, okay? See what you can dig up. Meanwhile, I'll talk to Sam. He's our Avery expert. Maybe he can make sense of this whole mess.
Right. I'll look through the files.
Yeah.
Turn around. When you're done talking to him, come and find me.
You got it.
Gringo, if I catch you fighting one more time, 1 week in the hole for you.
Nice active, right? Excuse me.
Benim kadar iyisin. Aha Sam.
Hijo de puta.
Aldı sigaraları.
Lo siento, chicos. Tengo que irme. Claro, te vas cuando estás ganando. Párate, Jesus, they worked you over good. You all right?
Just another day at the office. Come on.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're gonna keep me in suspense, are you?
You were right.
No, we were right. Just gotta find Rafe.
Rafe.
Don't stop, please.
Oh, come on. Like you said, we did this. You and me. Now this rich asshole comes in on the tail end.
How long have we been trying to get in here?
We had some leads.
No, we didn't. Okay, not one. So like it or not, no Rafe, no Vargas, and no getting in here.
Speaking of Vargas, we got a problem.
What kind of problem? Did he let you into the old prison?
Yeah, he did. After he read the letter.
So how much does he know?
Enough that he wants a cut.
Shit. Rafe, if anybody else finds out about this...
I'll work it out with Vargas. Don't sweat it. Right now, let's get on to more important matters.
All right. Let's find somewhere a little more private.
All right, coast is clear.
Okay, so what do we got?
Götünden çıkardı.
Hey,
May I?
just be careful, okay?
Wood with glass.
Bu da bizden. Ama Nate hiç sevmiyor bunu. Herhalde.
It's hollow. Why would one of Avery's men go through the trouble of hiding a cheap crucifix?
It's not a crucifix. Technically, a crucifix is a representation of Jesus. It's not Jesus.
You're right. There's no crown of thorns. He's tied to the cross. So if it's not Jesus,
Read the inscription.
Digna factus recipimus. We receive.
We receive the due rewards of our deeds.
Look at you.
That's the benefit of growing up in a Catholic orphanage. It's St. Dismas.
Penitent thief. What's the connection?
Guys, let's just pretend I skipped all of Sunday school.
Okay, during the crucifixion, Jesus is placed between two thieves, okay? One of them mocked Jesus. The other one, this guy, was penitent. Okay? He accepted his punishment with grace.
And Jesus brought him to paradise.
Penitent thief.
Yeah.
What? You
Görürüz.
figured it out.
There is a cathedral of St. Dismas in Scotland.
Wait, the last sighting of Avery was in Scotland.
That can't be a coincidence.
You know, I had my doubts about you too. Let's find Vargas. Get the hell out of the shop.
Ya yine mi siz ya? Amına koyayım.
Pick to fight with.
Didn't know he had so many friends.
Te dije que no habíamos terminado.
Mira, Nos ganaste, okay?
Muy tarde para hablar. ¡Aquí no sales!
You know what?
Tú no te metas.
Okay.
Lan. Oğlum. Amına.
Guys, save it for later.
Buenas noches.
How you doing, little brother?
Good. I'm good for now.
Remember, jab, jab, strike. Jab, jab, strike.
Siéntate.
We're not done here, guys.
Let's make this quick so we can get out of here.
Stres atıyorum şu an. Lan ibne. Uf.
Sam, some help here.
Bırak pezevenk. Uf.
Hey, get off!
Lan.
Ya basta de hablar.
Polislermiş.
Alguien más necesita que le recuerde las reglas. ¡Alíñense!
¿Qué es esto? ¿Eh?
Dame. Are you bringing in contraband?
Vargas.
¡Cállate! Who do you think you are? Llévalo a su celda. Trae a los gringos a mi oficina.
Yakalandık ya. Nereden çıktı bu herif? Sıçtık şimdi.
Déjanos. Déjennos.
Took you long enough. We almost got killed, you know?
Still might.
Vargas. Seriously?
Oh, I didn't find anything. It must be in a different tower. Well?
How can I say? I was raised Catholic. I always carry one.
Hey, look. It's worthless, all right?
You think I'm an idiot?
Okay, you want to renegotiate, fine. Stop acting like a third world thug. Put the gun away. Thank you. We're willing to give you 10%.
Think half.
We're doing most of the work, 20, and you'd never find it without us.
25 equals.
25. Does that sound fair, guys?
Suppose I can live with that.
Sure. Maybe 400 million divides nicely by 4.
Looks like we have a deal.
Yes, we have a deal. And if you ever cross me again...
Öldürdü lan. Adamı öldürdü amına koy.
Jesus.
That's that.
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
You want to find out?
Guys, what are we doing here?
We're sticking to the plan.
Was this part of the plan?
Just follow me.
Come on. Come on!
Evet arkadaşlar burada durduruyorum. kapatmam gerek. Ne kadar oldu bilmiyorum. Yine belki yarım saat olmuştur. Güzel bir videoydu bu da. Devamı gelecek. Unutmayın. İzlemede kalın. Görüşürüz.